Alright guys, second lesson for today. We're going on to quality, so I thought I'd pick a bit of a quality song. Oh, get it? Pretty good joke. I'm sure you guys missing all my jokes in live person, but the online recording ones have to just do. So we're moving on to quality strategies. We've already ticked off technology and materials. Today we're doing quality, and then tomorrow we'll go through waste minimization. Then we're actually covered all of the strategies that we're going to be learning. So let's just jump straight into it, since I've already wasted time singing and doing random shit. I shouldn't have swore, but that's okay. Quality management, what we basically look at is we make sure that for our customers, we have a product that is consistently reliable, durable, and does what the customer intended it to do when they purchased it. So we know that if we don't have good quality, that can result in unhappy customers. It can result in products that we need to throw out or return back to the business. So how do we rectify those? We've got three main strategies. We've got quality control, we've got quality assurance, and total quality management. So quality control, first of all, basically all it really looks at is looking at doing tests at random stages to ensure the quality is up to standard. So as it says there, aim to ensure the manufactured goods perform service adhere its quality criteria, and it's checked at regular intervals. So it might be if we are building a table that we go through, we place it, place the sides on, then we check to make sure they're all even. If we're doing KK6 bakery, maybe we'll chuck the bread in the oven. After it comes out, we would taste one to make sure it's actually gone through and cooked well. It's that regular interval checks. So how do we do it? We need to make sure that we identify what standards we want them to meet, that we test on a regular basis, and that we collect data, so collect our results to make sure that we have this all our thing. And then if the standards are not being met and if our data continually shows that, we put action in place to fix that up. So really, really good thing about this is we have improved quality for our customers. They're going to be happy. They're going to keep buying our products. It stops really faulty and not great products from reaching our customers. And the other really key thing is if we've got a situation that continually happens, so for example, if on like at 10 a.m. we found out that we're constantly burning our Turkish bread in the oven at KK6 bakery, we can fix that because we go, well, we need the oven to cool down or we need to cook it for less time moving forward. The other really good thing is that we've only got one person, inspector, in charge of the process, so they're the one that takes ownership, so that allows us to have one person accountable for it. Bad thing is if we're constantly checking, we may realize that we throw away more products before we reach the customers. That may cost us money. Problems with identified, so we may realize that the process is not really great, like that at the start the product was being made, we put 3 to 4 hours worth of work making the product, and at the end we found out it's broken. So that's an issue, and that's why we should have regular checks as we go along. We take responsibility away from a lot of employees because there's only one person in charge, and can increase the cost. We've got to hire someone as that inspector to do the quality control, so we're going to have more employees and we're going to have to pay them more money, so it's costly. Also time consuming if you want to build that in there as well. Quality assurance on the other hand. Quality assurance sets out that there's a standard, so there's a big body. What that body is, the international body is the ISO 9000. What they basically do is that they have a standard and all of our products must reach that standard. So that independent body will come in, they'll do tests, they'll make sure they're happy with our products, and then we'll keep making sure that we're reaching that standard. So it's really good because suddenly customers go, oh, this company must be good because they reach that ISO 9000 standard. The other key thing is improve quality overall. We shouldn't have to pay an inspection team money, and we've got less wastage. That's awesome. So we're going to save money in the long term. Bad thing is it can be expensive to get ourselves up to this standard. We may need to incorporate more training and different things like that, which can result in more cost for our business. Lucky last one, pretty straightforward one, total quality management. All this basically means is that it's putting in things in place so that every member is committed to improving quality in a business. So they look at every single thing that they do and they look at ways that they can improve the quality. So the key thing is that it's all employees that are involved in this. The main way they do this is things called quality circles. So they meet and they go, oh, how can we fix this problem and resolve it? And the key thing is it's supposed to be a continual process to improving quality. So it's a really good way to make sure the product is constantly getting better. Good thing is all workers are engaged in this. The whole organisation is continually pushing themselves, and that's going to help our customers feel really happy with our product. The bad thing is it's not a really quick solution. It takes time to improve the quality. The other key thing is at the start, we might find there's lots of improvements, and then over time, because we've improved our quality so well, the improvement might be really, really minimal, and also it's really costly and expensive at the start. Hopefully this is all clear. Please shout out if it doesn't. Enjoy the first half of today's session. Thanks.